What is assignment of an office lease? Have you ever wondered what happens when a tenant wants to transfer their office lease to someone else? This process is known as the assignment of an office lease, and it plays a significant role in office lease management. Let's break it down. An assignment of a lease occurs when the original tenant, also called the assigner, transfers all their rights and obligations under the lease to a new tenant, known as the assignee. This means the original tenant can exit the lease agreement entirely. They pass on the responsibility of paying rent and fulfilling other lease terms to the new tenant. Why would someone want to do this? Well, there are many reasons. For instance, if a business needs to relocate or cannot meet its lease obligations anymore, assigning the lease can be a smart move. It allows the original tenant to avoid financial burdens associated with an unused space. Now, let's talk about some key elements involved in this process. First, the landlord usually needs to approve the lease assignment. This step is important because the landlord wants to ensure that the new tenant meets their financial and operational standards. Next, the assignment must be formalized in writing. This document details the assigner's releases from the lease and the assignee's agreement to follow all lease conditions. It's a crucial step to protect everyone involved. It is also important to note that the original tenant might still be secondarily liable if the new tenant fails to meet their obligations. This means that if the assignee does not pay rent, the landlord could still hold the original tenant responsible. For those in office manager careers, understanding lease assignments is essential. It helps office managers manage office space effectively and make informed decisions about lease obligations. For example, if an office is downsizing, assigning the lease can be a strategic move. Administrative professionals should also be aware of the legal procedures involved in lease assignments. Ensuring that all necessary documentation is completed correctly is vital. They must also consider the financial implications, including any ongoing liability for the original tenant. Lastly, effective communication with landlords and new tenants is crucial. This ensures a smooth transition and helps avoid misunderstandings. By keeping these considerations in mind, office managers can navigate lease situations more effectively and make the best choices for their organizations.